Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Sy'Monne, and today's video is going to be all about dermaplaning, which is essentially taking off facial hair and dead skin cells with a little mini blade that you dispose of once it's dull. I really like this. I really like dermaplaning. I think it's really convenient, really fast. If you're new here, I make beauty, lifestyle, and vlog videos. Pretty much anything I feel like making, honestly. Like creative videos, whatever. So yeah, please stay tuned for that, and I'll see y'all in the video. So just be sure that your face is clean and dry before you do this. It's pretty easy and fast, and it not only removes hair, but it exfoliates your skin as well, so makes it really nice and smooth and perfect for putting on makeup or any kind of like serums or whatever. Just be very careful when you're doing this because this is still a blade and you can hurt yourself, so be very gentle. Still be very gentle with yourself and slow. And that's it. And you'll probably want to rinse your face. I don't really want to. Then right after that, I go ahead and I apply my moisturizer like normal. So lately I've been using Kanuka CBD Healing Skin Balm. I like to warm it up in my hands because it is pretty thick. And then just pat it. And then I've been topping it off with Touch and Soul Glassy Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. I'm almost out, I'm sad. So this stuff is very concentrated, I would say, so you don't need much. So what I used in the shower was Burt's Bees Sensitive Cleansing face soap, and it's cleansing face cream, and then I use St. Ives Apricot Healing Scrub after that, and then after that I use another Burt's Bees product. It's like a menthol like cleaning, very spa-like and tingly. And then yeah, that's all I did with my face in the shower. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I post. And check down below for my TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Those will be down in the bio, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys have a wonderful night or day wherever you are. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.